Yeah, I found Esteem through Facebook ads and also through flyers on the bus and also on the streets nearby, and I was also referred by a friend at the end. I mean, we like the area. We've been here for over 10 years. We bought this place. It's a nice big block of land. It's a shame to demolish the whole house. So we thought another thing was to renovate and move in. So that's the main reason for renovation. My experience with Esteem, especially Saudi and team, was fantastic right from the beginning. They know what they're doing. They deliver on time, and the contractors they use are also equally good. Their communication has been really well. There has been no hiccups, but they deliver ahead of time, and that's a good problem to have, I guess. Look, my personal renovated area, choice of renovated area is the window seat bay. I would say, and of course the fireplace, and then the much liked a fish tank behind me. Absolutely. I mean, look, Esteem has been really good. Saadi is a thorough professional, easy to talk to, and extremely happy with the outcome and the way they've done it. So, I would recommend them anytime to friends and family.